Hello, welcome back to my KDP content channel. Finding good, profitable coloring book niche on KDP can be really hard, but in this video, I want to show you 5 KDP coloring book niches. So, if you are watching my videos at the very first time, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with you more niche, more ideas, and whoever is interested in passive income. So if you are already publishing books on Amazon via the KDP platform and you are new to this and looking to build on online business with passive income, then follow me. What I tell you, what niche these are. So go to Amazon KDP Marketplace and so our first niche is teens to the 16 girls animals. Our first niche is teens to 16 girls animals coloring book, and our second niche is Secret Words coloring book. Secret Words coloring book. Secret Words coloring book. Here the results shows 988. Obviously this is a small niche, so you can start now work Secret World coloring book. And our third niche is coloring book mermaid and ocean design. Coloring book mermaid and ocean design. Here results only shows 190. Obviously this is a micro niche and this is a very profitable niche. And our fourth niche is secret tiny creature. Secret tiny creatures, and there is an 734 results only shows. So obviously we can say this is a profitable and good niche with a micro niche. So you can work this secret tiny creature coloring book. And our fifth niche is horse coloring book for $2, 2 years. And our last news is horse coloring book for $2, 2 years. And there is a results 918. Obviously this is a small niche, so personally I think there is a really good niche to get into, and as I say, if you choose your right keywords and create a good quality cover and good manuscript and upload properly on Amazon KDP, then you can earn more revenue from this book. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share my videos. So this 5 coloring book niche I write in the comment box. Please check out. Thank you so much.